Ooh.
I just about got him broke the lead.
Nice. Hoo. Andrew, pay attention.
I'll try and get him back around this side if I can. He's a fighting bugger.
Nice. Don't go into the lake. Nice. I can see. Ooh. Ooh. Nice.
He doesn't wanna let go.
Come on.
Damn, why don't I have that big net?
He's diving.
Yeah, he doesn't want to come up at all.
We're gonna call this one Goggins. This is a Goggins fish.
Oh.
Oh, he'll get tired pretty quick.
Come on, baby. Be careful, Andrew.
Yeah, you be careful falling when my fat ass moves up.
Yeah, don't lean way over here because we'll all be in the lake.
Okay, it's getting. Come on.